Hello, and welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this example, we will demonstrate how to create conic curves in Fidelity Pointwise. There are two ways to access the Draw Curves panel. You can use the drop-down menus at the top of the GUI, going to Create, Draw Curves, Conic, or simply by clicking on the Conic Curve button in the toolbar. Either method opens the Draw Curves panel. At the top of the Draw Curves panel, we have the three entity types: connectors, database curves, source curves. We'll be using a connector for this example. In the segment type, we can see that we have conic pre-selected for us. Now, the three control points required to generate a curve can be input by hand in the XYZ input box, specifying the two endpoints, followed by what is typically referred to as the shoulder point. The conic is then displayed with the tangent intersection lines as dashed lines. With our conic curve created, we can edit any of the control points in the display window by hovering the cursor over the control point, then click and drag the point to the new location. We can also move the last point edited back to its previous location by using the Restore button. We also have the option to change the third control point from a shoulder point to a tangent intersection point. And we can edit this tangent intersection point as we did before by clicking with the mouse and dragging to its new location. To control the shape of the conic, we have what is called the row value. The default of 0.5 generates a parabolic curve, values less than 0.5 an elliptic curve, and values greater than 0.5 a hyperbolic curve. Once we're done editing the curve, we can choose to add additional curve segments, or we can simply hit apply and start drawing new curves. This time we'll select the control points by clicking in the display window to create yet another conic curve. Now for the tangent intersection conic, we have the additional feature to turn on slope guides. Now when we move the tangent intersection point, dashed lines will appear representing the normal tangent slopes to the joining curve. When the curve snaps to a slope guide, the perpendicular symbol will appear. When we're all done, we can click Apply to continue drawing new curves, or simply click OK to save the curves and exit the Draw Curves panel. To further demonstrate the use of slope guides, we have an airfoil database with a blunt trailing edge that we want to round off. We can draw the conic by selecting the upper and lower surface endpoints first. Then when we select the third point by clicking and holding, the slope guides appear. We can actually move the point such that the curve is tangent to both the upper and lower surfaces. We can then adjust the row value to get the desired shape. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line down below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.